Want to know how to delete a card in Trello? You would want to delete a card in Trello as deleting the card helps clean your board, making it easier to focus on the tasks that still need attention. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete cards in Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Now start by opening the board that contains the card you want to delete. Next, tap on the card to open it and view its details. Once the card is open, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the option that appears, select the Archive option to move the card to the archive list. Trello does not allow the card to be permanently deleted, but archiving them removes them from the view. So this is how to delete a card in Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.